So for this problem, we're going to find out what the work done is, and the work done formula that I'm going to be using is F, the force times the distance, and the cosine of O. But we can go to A and B and C, but we're going to start with B and C so we can get up to A, and it's going to give us our answer. So the work done by the man is 0, since it's moving in a vertical direction, and it's only Y movement, so the work done by the man is 0, since he is not moving anything, only moving the object up and down along the Y. So there is no work done by the man. Now there is work done by the weight, which is the mass. And how we can find that is the mass, like we said, times G, which is force, times cosine of O, and also times the distance, which, if we break that down, the mass is 5 kilograms times gravity times cosine of 0. Since it's moving vertical, there is no angle, it's moving vertically, so it's 0 times 2, which is the displacement. Now, when we do all this together, cosine of 0 is 1. When you multiply all of these together, it equals 98 joules is the force being done by the weight. So the total work, we would have to add the work done by the man and the work done by the weight. We would have to add them. But since we know that the work done by the man is 0, the total energy used in this work, the total work, is 98 joules.